So in this quick video, I'm going to walk you through how you can generate a consistent flow of leads coming into your business as a contractor. It's important that you know that you, as a contractor and as a local business, it's the easiest way to generate leads for you. And if we're being honest, leads are super easy to generate. You have no idea how easy it is to generate leads, really, especially for B2C businesses like you, which are local. So generating leads is the easiest thing for you. So we're going to walk you through a process and show you how you can do it using targeted ads, because targeted ads are literally you showing your offer to people in your area who are interested in your service at the moment. Okay, it doesn't get any better than this. So if you're not leveraging targeted ads, you're missing on a huge opportunity. Now in this quick video, I'm going to build a campaign with you, showing you exactly step by step how to start generating leads with targeted ads. It's super simple. You don't need any technical knowledge. Now, if you're new here and you don't know me, I'm Johnny from ScaleZ. We specialize in building AI systems and automation systems for contractors, for real estate agents, roofers, basically any local high-ticket service-based business. We build AI systems to streamline the sales process, to streamline the marketing process, to track that data better, and basically automate the entire business. So you maybe think to yourself, okay, it's not exactly what you specialize in, but first, it's very, very simple to do. And second, we've done this before. So let's dive into it and show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can start leveraging targeted ads and generate a consistent flow of leads coming into your business every single day. So generating leads is very simple, just follows this process. You need traffic, eyeballs, attention. You need people to actually see you and understand who you are and what you do. Okay, this is the first step, the most basic thing. Then you need an offer, a lead magnet, something to give them in exchange for their contact information. Okay, you can't just ask them for their contact information. You need to give them a good reason to do so. So after you have people who see you, know who you are and what you do, and you show them your offer, you give them the lead magnet in exchange for the contact information, you need to have an opt-in option, right, for them to give you their contact information. If you master those three, generating leads is not a problem for you. Let's build the campaign live together and show you exactly what it looks like. So you'll need to log into business.facebook.com. If you have a business manager and a business account, then you'll have a dashboard. If you don't, you'll need to create one. Now what we're going to do is to create our instant form, our lead form on Facebook. So people are going to see your ad, they're going to click on the ad, and Facebook are going to have a form pop up on the ad that they can just submit their information, answer the questions, and there you have a lead. Okay, so we're going to create a Facebook form right now. You can use a landing page, but I'm trying to do it as simple as possible. So we're going to create an instant form. So you're going to go to those three lines right here. You will go to instant forms right here, click on instant forms, and then you will create a form. After you click on create, I already have one in a different tab, so you'll get the form opened, and then we're gonna just create the form, headline for the form name. Excuse me, this is not the headline, this is just the form name. I named it remodeler's form. We're gonna focus on remodeling. If you're a roofer, hardscaping business, any other, maybe flooring, then you can just do whatever you want. But for now, for the sake of the example, we're going to focus on remodeling. Background image, you can upload your own image or use the same image in the ad to the background. We're going to just use the same image from the ad, which is this one. Then I'm going to show you later how we upload it. So greeting, the headline, I just wrote down, get your 3 remodeling bonuses down, because this is the lead magnet. Okay, so I'm going to put a headline, offer the lead magnet. So whatever you're offering them, put it in the headline so they understand they have the chance to get it right now by submitting this form. Okay, so get the 3 remodeling bonuses now. Here you can just maybe explain the description on what the bonuses are. Totally depends on your business guidelines, whatever you can do. You can just figure out according to your business guidelines and come up with a lead magnet and offer it on the form. We're going to do a paragraph. We can also do lists, but I just prefer this one. Then we're going to have the questions section. So I'm going to click on questions, and here you can add questions. So you just simply click on add. Then you have multiple choice, short answer, conditional. You can just do whatever and fill in the fields. Okay. Now I already have questions that I made right here. Are you a homeowner? Yes, no. When are you looking to start? 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months, and over 12 months. This is simply qualifying questions, okay? You don't want to add too much friction into the process, but this is the qualifying questions that you can ask your leads. So based on your business guidelines, depends on who you are, remodeler, roofer, whatever, you can just ask some qualifying questions. I would say between 2 questions maybe, because you don't want to add too much friction into the process. You want to keep it simple, okay? If you want to add friction, you can check out other videos on my channel. Now let me show you how I actually created this from scratch. You know what? Yeah, let's go. So you simply add question, multiple choice. Are you a homeowner? Answer yes and no. Add, and that's it. You have a question. Then you're gonna add another question, multiple choice. When are you looking to start? Oops, fix that. Answer, let's do 1, 2, 3 months. 3 to 6 months. 6 to 12 months. And over 12 months. And there you have some questions right here ready. And here, those contact information questions, you already have it automated on Facebook form, so you don't need to worry about it. Maybe, to be honest, no, you have just email and full name. So if you want to add something else, like a phone number, you simply click on add category, contact fields, phone number, and there you have it. That's it. Privacy, you simply add your terms and conditions link or something like that. If you have one, I think you should have one, because it's you can't leave it empty. Then after you did that, click on completion, right? Thanks, you're all set. And then you can do something like we will contact you within the next 24 hours. You can do something like that if you have a landing page or an appointment scheduling page with a calendar. You can guide them there by adding the link here. Go to website, right? So you can also do book appointment now, book free in-home design consultation now, right? And you simply add the link to the calendar right here so they can book it right now, and that's about it, okay? Now it totally depends based on your preference. So what I would do is simply let them know that we will contact them in 24 hours. But if you do have a calendar page, then I would just add it right here, and that's it. You can simply do create form. 2 errors, you must let people know how you will use their data. Go to errors, so okay, just put it right here, and do something like where should we send the bonuses, because you must, according to Facebook, let them know what you're going to do with their information. Where should we send the bonuses? And the other one is please provide a valid URL website, so it's this one. I would simply do call business and just add the phone number right here, and then click on create form. And there you have your form right here. Okay, now let's build the campaign together. So what you're gonna do, go click here again on the 3 bars. That should work. Okay, yeah, it's working. Now click on Ads Manager. Now building the campaign is very, very, very simple. It doesn't require any technical knowledge, so you're simply gonna go here to the dashboard, click on create, go click on leads. This is the objective for the campaign. Let's do manual leads campaign, continue. And there you have the campaign setup. So what you're gonna do here is give it a name. I'm just gonna keep it like that, but you can give it a name. Categories, you're probably gonna do housing because you're into, if you're a contractor, then you probably should do something that relates to it, so you can do housing. It also improves the targeting, so I would do housing. And countries, just change it to your country, like that. Then we'll go to the ad set right here, click on instant forms because we're going to use instant forms. Then just connect your Facebook page right here. Here you're going to decide on the budget. So you have $20 here. I would suggest do something like $50 a day maybe, because this is how you can really get the algorithm going and the campaign and the ads running. But $20 is also I think a good budget to start with, so you can start with $20. And here on the audience, here on the custom audience, you're not gonna touch it right now. Here you can just change it to your specific location. So let's say you are a contractor in Savannah, Georgia, for example. So you can just target Savannah, Georgia, and that's it. Remove any other location that you're not gonna target. Here you can decide on the radius. Okay, so it really depends on you. So this is how you target your area. Now here on the age, you can't really touch the age right now because you are on a special ad category, and Facebook doesn't allow you to change the age if you have a special ads category, but it doesn't matter because Facebook recognizes that you have a special ad category that relates to housing, so it shows your ads only to people that is relevant to them. So it doesn't really affect the targeting. You can see here you can't even change the gender, but it doesn't matter because Facebook gonna show our ads to people who it's most relevant to. So targeting is not a problem. We're just gonna leave it to Facebook algorithm, which is very good at targeting placements. You're not gonna touch it, and that's about it. This is for the ad set for the targeting, and then we go to the ad level. And here on the ad level, what's gonna happen is this is where we simply upload the media to the ad. So you have your Facebook page connected right here. You can also connect your Instagram page if you have one. Then here you're gonna create the ad. So we're gonna go here to add creative, and as I said, this is the ad that we're gonna use. So we're gonna download the ad from Canva. This is just a random picture that I found on Canva. It's not a real ad that I'm gonna use. Then we're gonna go again to the ads manager, add media, add image, click here, let's add and drag it here. Then we are going to pick the one that we uploaded, hit next, next, done. That's about it, right? Here's your ad. This is what it's gonna look like. And when it comes to the ad, it's very important to note, just put an aesthetic, simple, beautiful picture of your project, maybe showcase your work, make it fun to look at, aesthetic, clean, simple, and just name your lead magnet, give them show them what you're offering them, get your 3 remodeling bonuses now, and that's about it. You don't need any fancy designs or something like that. Just a clean, simple picture of a work, of an aesthetic space, of something that they desire. So if you're a roofer, you can put the same thing, do the same thing with a roof. And for remodelers, this is pretty much what it looks like. Then, so you have your ad level ready, primary text. So we're gonna just type in something like home. So this is a very simple text structure that we just created. Homeowner in Savannah, Georgia, call out the audience, give them the value, remodel your home with the best possible deal using our 3 remodeling bonuses, and a CTA, a call to action. Click the link below to get it for free right now. And this is about it. Headline right here, you can just type in get our 3 remodeling bonuses. Description, you can just skip the description, doesn't really matter. Call to action, you can do learn more, which is this one, or get offer. Destination, so here we have our form. So you're simply just gonna pick the form, remodeler's form, and that's about it. This is all it took to create the Facebook ads campaign. You're simply gonna click on publish, and it's gonna be published. Okay, that's about it. So this is how you build and create an instant form on Facebook, which is a lead form that people submit their information into. And this is how you build the Facebook ads campaign to launch and show your offer and your ads to people in your area who are interested in your service. Using this strategy, I guarantee you will generate leads, but it's very important to notice that leads are worthless. Leads are nothing without a good backend system to convert them and turn them into clients. Okay, so if you're interested in checking out how we build a backend system and what is this backend system and what happens after we generate the leads, you can go to my channel and check out other videos to see exactly how we work the leads and book them to the calendar automatically without any intervention from the contractor. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope it was valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.